Hello! I used to be a knitter and I would knit scarf like this one probably in a day or maybe two depending on how much time I would spend knitting. But now we have a pet, Budgie. And that is why I knit so slowly. So today we are knitting Miss Marple Scarf. It is sometimes called Ascot cravat because it's like a bow type scarf. And it is called Miss Marple Scarf because Miss Marple wore it in one of the parts, in the part called Ordeal by Innocence. The scarf is made in garter stitch and the loopholes are made in ribbing. And it is a very simple project that is suitable for beginners. So I think I have explained really well why I knit so slowly, and you can finally enjoy the pattern.